Welcome back, dear children. We learnt about Rohit, right? Rohit loves traveling a lot. He loves to see nature and he wants to see beautiful picture, right? And he wants to go to Amazon River in South America and he wants to live in beaches of Lakshadweep and dive to see coral and he wants to see Konark Temple in Orissa, and he wants to go to old city in Beijing. Right, Beijing is in China. Beijing is the capital city of China, and the pyramids in Egypt too. So actually, he wants to enjoy nature rather than old buildings. So now we will go to the next person, who's Sabjit. Sabjit, what makes me very angry is when people don't believe me. Yeah, most of the times they will not believe us. Even if you are going and saying to your mother that I'm not feeling well or I studied for the exam, all that, they will not believe you. And they'll touch here and see and they'll say go and sleep, it will be all right, or some reasons they'll say. They will not believe you sometimes, not always, sometimes. Actually, when you are saying the truth at that time, if they are believing, they are not believing you, then you will feel hurt, right? Same way, Subjit. What makes me very angry is people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. For example, if I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it, they'll not believe, right? So they'll give punishment. Or I tell my parents that I wasn't me, but my little brother who started to fight. So the same problem happen in all the homes, right? Brother and sister or two brothers will be there. If you are not fighting really also, if you said that your brother or your sister started to fight and she or he only hit me first, all that, they will not believe. Preference will go to the younger ones, right? So, or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test, even if I have got bad marks, I got bad marks and I said that I read properly, they will not believe. If you read means you could have got good marks. You didn't get good marks, you got bad marks, so you didn't read properly. That is what they'll say. They all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. So this is the problem for subject. The look on their faces really angers me. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. So the problem for Sarjit is nobody is believing him. The teachers are not believing him when he said that I cannot do my homework because somebody took my notebook. Or the mother, Sarjit's mother, is not believing him, and he said when he said that little brother only started to fight. The teacher is not believing him when he got low marks and he said he studied in a better way, good way. But this really matters a lot. This happens, and you could have experienced this in everybody's life. This happens, right? Sometimes to control the anger, what he did is he counted from 1 to 10. Next comes Dolma. Dolma, when I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. Some fantastic ambition she had. So, what is your ambition, dear? What you want to be and how you are taking steps to achieve that, right? We will discuss that later. People always laugh when I say what? When I say that I'm going to be the prime minister. But I'm sure that I will do it. See the confidence level of Dolma. Really, I want to appreciate her, because if somebody is laughing at you or saying something bad about this ambition, then what you will think is immediately you will try to change the ambition. But what she is saying is, but I am sure that I will do it. So everyone in my class asked me what to do when they have a problem. That means she had a leadership quality now itself. He will try to solve the problem. That is why they are coming and sharing all the problems to them. Dolma, right? So Dolma says when she grows up, she is going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when she says that, but she was sure that she will do that. Everyone in her class asked her what to do when they have a problem. But my teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in school. So even all the teachers will give a work to certain students. That shows that they are very sincere in that work. Okay. So most of the children's, what they'll do if they are giving work to her or him, what they'll do is they'll not do it properly. They'll not do it really with concentration, or they'll try to escape from that work. Right here, teacher always trust me, trust, hope, faith, right? Trust me when something needs to be done in school. I want to make things better for everyone. So whatever she is doing, she wants to do in a better way. That is what is her intention. That is really a great intention. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. See, a bigger or a rich persons are getting a very good quality of treatment in hospitals, and a poor child is getting a very bad treatment. So this is not at all accepted. Inequality, we can say that, inequality. This should not happen. Whatever a rich person, what prime minister is getting, all the facilities has to be the same, has to be got by the poor child also. Then only equality is there in our country. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for disease and send a spaceship to Mars. You know about Abdul Kalam, right? He did excellently well. He made so much of inventions, and he dedicated everything to Indian government freely, okay, to government hospitals. He invented a false leg, that also in a very low cost, that to be used to poor children also, poor people. So her ambition is fantastic. It has to be praised by all. It's not a matter to laugh, it's a matter to think how she is thinking. Like that, everybody has to think, right? So, Dolma, again, we'll see about Dolma. When I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that, but I'm sure that I will do it. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in school. I want to make things better for everyone. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. Next comes Peter. Peter, my favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. On this day, our whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see a film. Yes. So, daily night dinner at least, family members all together have to sit and eat. They have to share their experiences after eating, not at the time of eating. After eating, they have to share all the experiences they had in from the morning till night. My dad will do that. Each and every incident he used to share, and we too had the habit of sharing that to parents, so that everybody will come to know what is happening to a child or what is happening to the parents in our day to day life, right? So there'll be a better understanding between parents and children. This is a very good method. Here, the whole family always go to cinema hall to see a film on second Saturday. My father gets the ticket in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers, and I, take the bus there. In the interval, my father buys us peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall eating and watching the film. Everybody, right? Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood, and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. So he enjoys the happiness when he is with his family. Fantastic, dear. Right. Now, who I am summary. Right. This lesson tells us that all the people on earth are different. Yet, we are all interesting people in different ways. The author makes his point by describing 6 personalities. Right. First one is Radha. Radha likes to climb trees. This is her favorite activity. Her mother asked her not to do so. However, one afternoon, Radha's mother also climbed with her on the mango tree outside their house. Both of them talked and ate raw mangoes up on the tree. Climbing on a tree, Radha feels like she can rule the whole world. Nazir. Nazir has cotton fields in the village. His father spends a lot of money on the seeds to grow the cotton plants. His grandfather had once told him that he used to collect seeds from his own plants, which were used to grow new plants. But these days doesn't work. Nazir wants to know why it is so. He wants to learn to preserve seeds so as to use them again and not to spend money on this every year. Rohit. Rohit likes to travel. If he could afford, he would go around the world. He wants to visit the mountains of New Zealand and the Amazon River in South America. He also wishes to enjoy the beaches of Lakshadweep and Konark Temple in Orissa. The old city of Beijing in China and the pyramids of Egypt are also his favorites. Next is Sarvjit. Sarvjit is angry with most people around him because they do not trust him when he speaks the truth. His teacher thinks that he is lying when he says that he could not do homework because Ravi had borrowed his book. Not book. He tells his parents that it is his little brother who started the fight, but they blame him. Their distress angers him and he has to make effort to control his anger. Next comes Dolma. Dolma is very ambitious girl. She wants to do some service for the country. For this, she wants to become the prime minister. She says that she has a leadership quality. Her classmates come to her when they have a problem. Her teachers trust her when something is to be done in schools. As prime minister, She would try to make things for everyone. So that is the end of the lesson, dear. Thank you so much. We will see in the next class.